Do you struggle to make an envelope for your pop-up cards? Let's make custom envelope for any shape. First, take a coordinating cardstock of 12 by 12 size and then just keep your card in the middle in a diagonal shape as I'm doing in the video and start to fold on the sides, keeping a very little gap on all the four sides so that you have enough room to slide your card in and out. After this, cut off the triangle corners that you see on the cardstock and just burnish the edges of the folded parts of your cardstock. Make sure that you have enough room for your card to slide in and out. Now just round the corners of your edges of the cardstock to give it a finished look. Now we will stick the three edges of the cardstock to make the envelope shut. You can either use tape or glue for this step. After this, I will just be making a closure for my envelope. I'm using a velcro dot for that and sticking a die cut on top to decorate the envelope. Similarly, I did the same thing for my other rectangular shaped card and tada, it's done. Follow me for more such tutorials.